How to change the database password in DirectAdmin. First of all, you have to log in to the DirectAdmin's panel. To modify database details, please find the Database Management option. Click on the Database Management option. In the Database Management option, you can find all your databases and usernames. To change your database password, you just have to click on a specific database. In the next window, you can find the database details. To change the database user password, you need to find the Change Password option, which is available in the Database Username section. After clicking the Change Password button, a new pop-up window opens. In this pop-up window, create a new password. To view the auto-generated password, you need to click on the eye icon. Now, copy the new password and store it somewhere safe. To save a new password, please click on the Save button. This will change your database password from the DirectAdmin user panel. After that, you can update the password in your application to connect it to the database.
Technical support. Contact us at support@itcompany.services.